Gentlemen of Terra, thank you for joining us at the Tavon Collection opening. In a manner most befitting this occasion, it is my pleasure to welcome to the stage a very special Terran who has come to celebrate the grand arrival of the Collector's Fortress. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Chairman, Walt Disney Parks and Resorts, Bob Chapek.
Thank you all for joining us, and thank you for that colorful introduction. We're thrilled that the collector chose Disney California Adventure as the home of his fortress, and that we were given the distinct honor of hosting this newest exhibit. Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout has arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming a very important Terran, James Gunn.
Thank you, Bob. Hey, everybody. For me, I dreamed of this, of having a ride at a Disney theme park based on movies that I helped to create. And so, without anything else, I would like to introduce to you a few of the stars of Guardians of the Galaxy. First of all, she plays Mantis, Pom Klementieff. Now this next guy, his name is Michael Rooker. And finally, I'd like to introduce to you the one, the only Zoe Saldana.
Oh my, he's here! He's here! Everyone, prepare yourselves. Terrans, it is time to introduce to you the man who has traveled a great distance to come to your planet and humbly grace you with his presence. May I present to you...
Expecting someone else?
You're Benicio del Toro.
Yeah, hello.
But you can't be here. The collector would not be pleased. A Terran cannot stand in his place.
Oh, I don't think you'll mind. We're very close. Now, if you don't mind, I'm here to officiate the opening of the Tavon Collection. Ladies and gentlemen of Terra, the Tavon Collection is officially open.